I'll mix these up. Look. So any cards you want here: eight of spades, 10 of hearts, jack of diamonds, queen of
I
clubs,
want a
seven of
jack of
clubs.
diamonds.
You want jack of diamonds?
Yes.
All right. Now you're 100% sure you don't want to change your mind, right?
No.
No, I want to do 6 now.
No.
6 of spades.
6 of spades.
Yes.
Final
Cancel
change
that.
for sure. 6 of spades.
Yes.
No changing, right?
No changing.
All right. So check this out. This is what's crazy. So you change from the jack of diamonds to the 6 of spades, right?
Yeah.
Now look, all these cards here, they're all from the same deck. Look. Okay. Now, you changed your mind to this card. This is the only card from a different deck.
Yes.
What the fuck?
So if you would have stayed with the jack, it wouldn't even have worked. So you actually changed your mind to the only card that was from a different deck. The only card that was red.
Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, whoa.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Yo, shit.
You even changed your mind to that card. If you would have stayed with the jack, it wouldn't even have worked. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to see a trick real quick?
Yeah.
Alright. Hopefully I can do this real quick. Alright, so I'll just have you choose a card real quick. Right here, 4 clubs. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to write something on it real quick just so you don't have any duplicates. So like your initials or name or something. Just an R?
Yep.
Okay. Alright, so 4 clubs with an R on it, right? I'm going to put it somewhere into the middle here, okay? And then we'll just give the deck a couple cuts and a couple shuffles, okay? Alright. Alright, so what I'm going to try to do, the goal is to shuffle half the cards face up and face down, okay? So I'm going to try to get it kind of mixed up, kind of crazy, right? So hopefully we got cards going every different direction here. So we got face ups, face downs, face up, all different directions, okay? And we got cards face to face, back to back, all right? Now if this works, hopefully, if I did this right, I should be able to get the whole entire deck to fix itself, except for one card. Good card.
I'm impressed, not gonna lie.
Nice. Cool, man. Yeah,
Have a good night.
Hey, can I share my YouTube channel with you real quick? Just
Dude, I would love to watch, not gonna lie.
alright, it's called Sean Hawk Magic. I pasted it right there.
I want to check you out.
Cool, man. You may be in one of the videos, one of my next videos, if that's cool. So, see ya. Thanks. Say, you got it already in your mind, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'll write it down real quick. Let's say this one right here. Okay, so I wrote it down. I'm dedicated. So what are you thinking?
2.
You said number 2. Look.
Bro.
Okay, tell me your YouTube, please. I need it. There's no way you don't have.
Yeah, I got one. I'll paste it right here for you.
I knew it.
Sean Hawk Magic. You guys want to see one more, or are you good?
Oh yeah, please. One more.
One more.
Okay. All right. So we'll start out have you guys ever heard of 3-Card Monte, that game they play in like New York where there's like they scam you, you got one card you got to follow and they let you get it right the first time and then they scam you for your money. Well, I'll show you how it works basically. So we got a king and an 8, okay? Now the money card is the king, that's the card you have to follow, all right? So if I take the king and I set it down, where's the king?
Right.
My right or your right? My hand or on
the one that's not floating above.
Okay.
Huh?
So it's, yeah. So now you see how it works. So now you see how it works, I'm going to bring in another 8, okay, as a distractor card. So that's going to try to distract you, all right? So look, just try to tell me where the king's at, okay? All right, so where's the king? It's in the middle, right? All right, so watch. If I set down the king, where's the king?
On the
Table.
But see, when I set it down, I actually misdirected you because I was actually an 8 that I sat down.
Bro.
Now look, this time I'll make it a little easier. I'll set down an 8, okay? All right, so where's the king?
Right, or your left hand.
See, but once again, I misdirected you. Okay, so maybe there's too many cards because there's three cards. You only have 2 eyes, so it's hard to follow. So I'll get rid of the king for a minute. Okay. So we have an 8. So we have an 8 of spades. All right, we have an 8 of spades and an 8 of spades. So if I go like this, now where's the king?
Right, or your left hand.
Yeah, because it was in my pocket. When you look at my pocket, I actually switch it back. Now you're getting the hang of it. So that's actually an 8 I put in my pocket. But check this out. The thing is when I want you to lose, you always lose because if I set the king down, look, I go like this. It's actually no king. King goes back to my pocket. Now if I want you to win though, the thing is if I want you to win, you always win. Because look, all the cards become kings. So that's basically the moral of the story is basically don't play cards with a magician.
I want to learn magic now.
What? I'm so lost. Wait, I need to subscribe. There you go. I'm so lost. I'm so lost. Oh.
Crazy, right? You a magic trick with cards?
Yeah, with a magic trick. With a magic trick, yeah.
Alright, check this out, look. Just pick any one of these cards here you want.
Hey, don't make me feel slow, okay?
That one.
Which
No.
one?
That one, in the middle.
In the middle. Yeah.
7? You want the 7? Okay, 7 of diamonds. Now, do you want to change your mind?
No.
Are you happy with that? Okay, so look, I'm going to set it right here, look. So all these other cards, you see they're all from a blue deck. See how they're all blue? Look, these are all blue, right? Now you could have changed your mind, but the only card you picked was the only card from a different deck.
What the fuck?
I
The only card that was red. Let me try one more thing on you real quick. Look, I'm going to have you pick a number between 1 and 10. Okay, and I'm going to write it down. I'm going to try to guess it. I'm going to write it down and try to guess it. I'm going to write it down so you know I'm not cheating, okay? So just think of a number between 1 and 10 in your head and tell me when you got it. And then I'm going to try to guess it.
Okay, I got it.
You got it? Okay, so I'm going to write it down what I think it is, okay? I'm going to say... Let's say this one. Alright, so what is it?
can't tell you.
4.
You said 4, look.
What the fuck? You gonna make me go retarded. 4. Well, thank you for your show.
Thank you for watching.